Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta jewelry. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a variety of pasta shapes, such as pen, ditalini, or even wagon wheels, to create diverse designs. Acrylic paints in your favorite colors, small brushes, and a clear sealant spray are essential for durability. Don't forget string, elastic cord, or jewelry wire, along with scissors and a ruler for precise measurements. A small bowl for paint mixing will also be very helpful. Now let's add some color to your pasta. Using acrylic paints, apply thin, even coats to each pasta piece. This prevents the pasta from getting too wet and ensures a smooth finish. You might need 2 or 3 coats for opaque coverage. Make sure each layer dries completely before applying the next, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. A toothpick or skewer can be very useful for holding the pasta while you paint, keeping your fingers clean. After your pasta pieces are beautifully painted and thoroughly dry, it's time to seal them. A clear sealant spray is crucial for protecting the paint from chipping and adding durability to your jewelry. Apply the spray in a well-ventilated area, holding the can about 10 inches from the pasta. Apply 2 light coats, allowing about 15 minutes between each. Let the sealed pasta dry completely for at least 1 hour before moving on to assembly. Finally, it's time to assemble your unique pasta jewelry. Carefully thread your dried and sealed pasta pieces onto string, elastic cord, or jewelry wire. Experiment with different patterns, alternating shapes and colors to create visually appealing designs. For necklaces, secure the ends with a sturdy knot or attach a jewelry clasp. When making bracelets, ensure the elastic cord is snug but comfortable, allowing for easy wear. Enjoy your handmade pasta creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.